Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have a quick unboxing I want to do on my lunch. Just received this from D&B. This is the second package I've gotten this week. One was a fail, and I'll go over that in another video. But this is from D&B, and let's see what it is. Oh, so I ordered a Brenna, I think it was last year, in black Florentine. So this is the Barlow. The price was a little bit better because I still had an extra coupon that they sent me from before that I saved. So anyway, let's check her out. Here's my receipt. Oh, look at what I got. That is so cute. So, is that like see like on a surfboard? My favorite, absolute favorite color in turquoise. And then my second in pink. Look at that. She's so cute. Yep, so I ordered this from ILD. If you guys saw this thing on sale, I think this was a pre-order. When I looked at it, I didn't know it was. When I clicked on it, I was like, oh my gosh. But it came out pretty fast. So anyway, let's take a look here. This is, let me open it up right quick. I'm so excited. So I had ordered a Brenna in black last year. Sent it back because it had too much pebbling in it, and because I have a Brianna that has pebbling. But whether this has pebbling or not, I've decided that I do want this type of bag in black. And so I did regret sending that Florentine Brenna, Brenna back. Like I said, I do have the Brianna in pebbled leather, but this is Florentine. And oh, okay, let's take a look here. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, she smells so good. Take off my badge right quick. So good. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ooh, 5 feet. Huh. She got, I don't know what that is on there. It feels like a piece of glue. Oh my gosh. So I'd have to get the Brenna and the Barlow. This is the Barlow. If I didn't say that, I apologize. This is the black Barlow. I had the Brenna that I ordered before in the black, and I do regret sending that one back. It seems like the Brenna that I had was a little bit shinier than this. This is 19 out of 140. But wow, she is so pretty. So I'm glad that she was a keeper, because what I ordered the other day and had to send back was not. Let's see if this has a strap. Okay. All right, so it does have a strap, and it has a nice kind of antique brushed gold hardware. Yeah, that's nice. I do believe the one I had before in the Brenna was a little bit shinier than this, but wow, that is so nice. Yeah, so that's my unboxing for right now, and I will give you guys an update a little bit later. Can you see me? Can you see me? Yes, you can. So I'm going to go over what kind of accessories I'm going to match up with her. I already had in my head that if she was not looking used or anything like that, that I was going to keep her. So I'll get back with you guys with an updated video on what I am going to pack inside of her. All right, look at this, y'all. I'm so happy about that. So that's my second duck. I don't even know where my other duck is, but I'm so happy about having my duck. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.